recording.
I'm not talking by myself.
Yeah, you are.
Well,
Tell us what tell everyone what you did today.
We went fishing.
Silly. What else? What did we catch?
A big star.
And what else? A 18-inch flounder.
18-inch flounder and a bluefish.
We got dinner.
And a bluefish. Say, winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Chicken wing and chicken food.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken food.
Chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It rhymes. It sounds the same, right?
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Why is your butt on my knee? Stand up. Captains don't sit.
Captain, do sit. You're a captain.
Your captain has to have 2 hands on the wheel all the time.
You have 1 hand here and 1 hand on the wheel.
You can do 1 hand here, but I gotta steer. You gotta get up. You gotta get up.
What?
You gotta do it. Keep it on the wheel. But you're in control of the boat. Okay.
Alone or by myself?
I'm helping you. What is this dude doing?
What dude? What dude? The guy on the boat?
Say wave. See him?
He's so fast, man. Is he going slow or fast?
Slow. Everyone has to go slow back here, right?
Thank goodness, because that dude wasn't paying attention.
No, not at all. I wonder how bad it is up here. Look at all the boats going up here.
Is that where Dugo is, or this
No,
one?
that's
That one.
There's other bars right on the. Oh yeah, he's definitely getting swamped out. Low tide.
Where are dancing girlfriends?
They might be back here. Who knows?
You might be done.
You might not let anyone go out. Looks like we're gonna get thunderstorms.
I'll get there.
You gotta stay to the left of that.
To the left of that?
Coming in.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't go that way. That's what it's there for. It did have a sign. They took it down because they're moving the pipes. See how they moved it over here? You gotta stand between them 2 flags coming up.
Okay.
Or drive through them.
Yeah.
But it's deeper here, straight.
Hello, we're chicken wing.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Chicken wing, chicken dinner.
No, winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Got it. Ah.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
There you go.
Chicken winner, chicken dinner.
You were close. That's not right though. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Is that right?
You got it.
Yeah!
All the bugs are out, man.
Yeah.
I was telling your mom would get him one of the hats with the net that goes around your face
Oh, yeah.
for the boat.
Do you have the hat with the nut?
I'm gonna go get stuff for the deck tomorrow or tonight. I get Home Depot, like the tiki flames.